Hello guys, welcome to a series that I'm starting, and I've seen a lot of videos on this. Cluster truck. Ha ha ha. So, I'm going to be playing with the controller. That took me a mouth and a half. Why have I started at episode 7? Thingy 7. I'm playing with the controller because these things, you kind of need that perspective. And the controls are kind of obvious. But I'm not going to be some sluggish person because speed is all you need. Oh. And when on the menu there's like an abilities kind of option. So I'm thinking like there's hopefully like a slow motion or a double jump or something like that. I'm actually going to check it out now. Just moving the mouse off the screen. Alright. So there's double jump, air dash, levitation, oh! Jetpack, grappling hook, truck boost, truck below the, oh! Truck flip. Let's do some mad flips. I'm going to teleport to the player. Epic mode. 50,000. Truck. Yeah, time slows it down. 15,000. I think I would get the double jump first. The double jump seems like it'd come in handy for the big maps. Because on the trailer, you're just jumping all over, like, and your truck's getting like boosted places. Get it? Oh, that would have been the coolest thing ever if that happened. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my lord. Ah! That would have been the most coolest thing ever. Oh my god. Oh. I don't want to take it slow. How dare you tell murderers to take it slow? Turn and jump. Ah! Whoosh, whoosh. I did it, I got it, I did. Ah! Oh my god. I wonder what epic mode does. If epic mode's like something where you like just have unlimited everything and like you don't die, I don't want that. That just seems boring, otherwise you could just walk whatever level it is. I did it, I got it, I got it, I did it, I did it, I got it, I got it. Yes! Oh my god. Yes! Episode 5. I don't know why I'm calling it episode 5. I think that's off Minecraft story mode. And whoosh! Yes, first goal. So this is a lot. Yeah! That was the coolest thing ever. And whoosh. Yes! First score, I think. I don't know. I wasn't keeping track. So how many style points have I got? Final score. Final style points 11,000. 4,000 until until one of me upgrades. Why, truck? Why? We didn't need you anymore. That was unnecessary. This slow motion thing would come in very, very, very useful. Go, go, go. Bit too far. Ha ha. Whoosh. Oh. Guys, I'm in the middle of saving up some money for a custom gaming PC because at the minute I've got a PC that's classed as officeware. So I do want a gaming PC, so recording and gaming will be a lot. There was no more trucks coming. Gaming and recording would be a lot better. So it's coming up together 800 odd. At the end of this I'll change it to monitor capture and I'll show you on Word document because I write loads of stuff down on Word. The stuff that how much it's gonna come to and how much all the stuff that I'm having. I can tell you it's i7 and 16 gigabytes of RAM. I can't tell you what motherboard and graphics card it is. I have found them on like websites and stuff. But yeah, I'm saving up money for a gaming PC, but I want to find a software I can record on the PlayStation. I know Twitch, but something goes wrong with it. Like when I go on my PC to upload it to YouTube, it's never there. Oh wait, no.